Hello and welcome. My name is seannjewall and I'm a fashiontech designer. I just graduated from Kunstuni in Linz, Austria, and I would like to introduce a project of mine, DYI BCI. So what I made is a low-tech version of an EEG cap. And I was inspired by an engineer that I was talking with about that works with neurofeedback. And from the discussion that I had with him, I was inspired by how much design can impact one's well-being in rehabilitation. So in the cap itself, in the crochet cap, is an EEG sensor. So instead of working with 64 sensors that you use in a typical EEG cap, I want to make it as low cost and as easy, comprehensible as possible. So there's 3 electrodes in it, plus, minus, and grounding. You've got an EEG sensor and an Arduino, and with just this all gives you one output, one signal. And the interesting thing for me was to understand that even just with the coding part, through various filters, I can reduce the input to a calm or a stressed state of mind. And with this one signal, it's completely enough to already have influence on visualization. And this is not per se reading your mind, but it's nonetheless impactful. But of having this connection, of having the connection from your, not your brain thoughts, but something that's going on inside your head, which is normally invisible, and making something invisible visible through a visualization. That's this realm of magic, and that's where, like, for me, science tech and for me then the fashion takes would have the world, where you can connect these fields. And I wish to make more visualizations for people that fill in their questionnaires on the homepage, that I can provide more individual, customized visuals that people can get inspired to make their own caps and start on their journey of self-help. And that's it, thank you. If there's any questions, please, you can also feel free to use the microphone, say a word.